Okay, so trying to get YouTube videos up online and doing all the editing has been quite a challenge for me, so I've just decided to just kind of keep them natural, and we'll see how that goes. I'm sure I can get more content out without doing all the editing. I mean, it takes me hours and hours to do all the editing. So I'm just starting this morning off. Today is Saturday morning and everything's still quiet. It's not early, it's 11 o'clock, but I think there's only one other person here with me, and I have 4 dogs, as y'all know. But I just want to take you kind of through today of my morning, and some benefits and healthy things that I do that I think are beneficial. So right now I'm in the study, and it's called A 30-Day Walk with God in the Psalms, and it's by Nancy Lee DeMoss, and I'm doing it with a friend. And it's been really great to keep me in a routine and a time to be with God and spend time with God and listen and study and just, you know, draw closer to God, because drawing closer to God is the thing that I feel is most beneficial to my health, and so I want to make that a priority. The other thing is that I've already drank most of this water, and I drink more water on the days that I exercise or sweat. And right now, along with the study, I'm doing 30 days of sauna along with the study, and so that's why I'm already halfway finished with this. So I may drink 2 of these today. I want you to get a good water source. You can go to my website and see all the lists of, I have an article about water. But just, I believe that you should drink spring water, and try to get a spring water that's a high alkaline water, and I hope you will avoid man-made alkaline waters. So next I'm going to make a smoothie, and so I'll take you over there really soon. I hope it'll stay quiet. Reminder again, I have 4 dogs, so I may have to pause sometime. But I'm about to make my smoothie, and I'm gonna go over to the fridge. And this is where, well, let's see here. So today, I guess the most of my smoothie is going to be with blueberries, and I now keep my spinach frozen so it doesn't go bad. And I'm going to have to use unfrozen bananas. I really like bananas in my smoothie, but I don't have any that are in the freezer already. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to switch the camera. I'm going to switch the camera over to the Vitamix while I fill it. So for the other video, I've already recorded for Instagram, so I'm just going to take you back through what I put in here. I put 1.5 cups of water, and sometimes I use almond milk, but usually I don't unless I really make my own. Water does just fine for me. I add some supplements. This one is an L-glutamine powder. It's an amino acid that's good for the stomach. So I add that in, you know, having had stomach issues. I still have some, so I'm just going to use it up. Mainly what I go for are greens. Greens are good for energy. They give you lots of energy. So this is a green superfood by Amazing Grass. And all the greens I go for have greens, usually like barley grass and maybe wheatgrass, and a probiotic in a combo. So I mix them up. Today I'm having this one. Tomorrow I may have this one. This one is a perfect food, you know, super greens. Just buy something with greens and probiotics is what you want. So also what I usually add for a little extra sweetness is stevia or stevia. And this one is non-alcohol based. This one is based in glycerin. I have already put in the bananas, so I usually use, so I said 1.5 cups of water, and so 1.5 banana. So this is a banana, and this is a half a banana, and I'll show you what I do with a half banana a little later. But so for now, let's see here. So that's what's in there. Normally my bananas are frozen, but today they're not. So I'm peeling them and putting them in there. I filled it up. I need to get this back in the freezer because it's getting soft. So this is spinach I keep in the freezer, and I also keep other frozen. Sometimes I buy them in packs like this. Sometimes I just buy strawberries and I'll clean them and I'll put them in the freezer. But frozen fruit always makes a really good smoothie. And last, I've put 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger. Ginger is just really good for digestion and it adds flavor. And I just like a really strong green drink. So that's what's all in here today. And I'll mix it up and pour it out for you in just a bit. Okay, so I've already mixed it, and I want to show you my new tumbler for my smoothies. I lost my other one along with a glass straw, and I'm gonna miss that. This is okay. This is doing fine, and it has a nice a top specifically for the straw that won't come out, and it's doing well. So I'll put my name on this one. Hopefully someone will say, "Oh, that's important," and better get that back to her. But this is I'm gonna go have this smoothie, finish my study, and I just want you to add greens to your day. This is a good, easy way to add greens. And with the extra boost that you're getting from here, plus the greens that you add, I mean, you can add cucumbers and zucchini. I mean, I do all that, but today this was what I made, and I want to encourage you to do the same. I'm finishing up my morning study, and it says the things we think about during the day greatly influence the subconscious thought patterns of our sleep. See verse 7, and this is Psalm 16, verse 7. I will praise the Lord who counsels me. Even at night, my heart instructs me. So I put as a reminder, a peaceful heart equals restful sleep. I don't know where you are. Okay, there's the camera. But sleep is important to your health. So start here in God's Word and let it just permeate your heart so that you can get restful sleep. It's time for pancakes. I've done some work in the kitchen and I'm hungry, and I just want to show you I pre-mix my pancake mix, and so all I do is add water. You can add almond milk. I add water and a little lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to activate the baking powder that's in there, and I'm good to go. Okay, I forgot to tell y'all what I do with that banana. Okay, so I normally put this in the blender with water and make it into like a banana milk for my pancakes, but today I'm just gonna dump it in there. And can you see that yet? Where's the thing? Okay, I'm just gonna dump it in there and smash it into my pancake mix. I'll be eating shortly. Eating shortly.